Want to hide and unhide rows and columns in Excel? Using only shortcut keys? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Quickly and efficiently. No mouse needed, just your keyboard. We'll cover 4 simple steps. Hiding rows, hiding columns, unhiding rows, and unhiding columns. I will also show you what to do if any of these steps should fail to unhide your rows and columns. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. First, let's hide row 7 using shortcut keys. Navigate to the row you want to hide using the arrow keys. Next, select the entire row by pressing Shift plus space. Now hide the row by pressing Ctrl plus 9. You can see that row 7 is now hidden. Now, let's hide column F. Navigate to the column you want to hide using the arrow keys. Select the entire column by pressing Ctrl plus space. Hide the column by pressing Ctrl plus 0. You can see that column F is now hidden. Now, what if you need to bring back a hidden row? Here's how to unhide it. Use the arrow keys to move to the row just above the hidden row. Select the entire row by pressing Shift plus space. Now, select the row just below your hidden row by pressing Shift plus the down arrow key so that both the rows above and below your hidden row are selected. Unhide the row by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus 9. Your row should now be unhidden. If for some reason your row did not unhide, I will show you how to fix this coming up. Finally, let's unhide a hidden column. Navigate to the column just before the hidden column using the arrow keys. Select the entire column by pressing Ctrl plus space. Now, select the column on the other side of your hidden column by pressing Shift plus the right arrow key so that both the columns on either side of your hidden column are selected. To unhide the column, press the Alt key and then press O plus C plus U. This should unhide your column. If any of these shortcut keys should fail to unhide your rows or columns, follow these steps. Press Ctrl plus A to select the entire worksheet. This will let Excel know that you are trying to unhide rows and columns when using these shortcut keys. Unhide the row by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus 9. To unhide the column, press the Alt key and then press O plus C plus U. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.